Dear children, how are you doing? I know you all are doing well at home. Children, kindly take out Standard 5 Social Studies book, Chapter 13. Be healthy, live longer. Open at page number 86. Let's start the chapter. Someone truly said that health is wealth. It means that if we stay healthy, we live longer. To live a long and healthy life, we need many different things. We need a clean environment, we must eat nutritious food, exercise daily, take precaution against diseases. A long time back, humans did not understand diseases. Diseases were considered to be a curse of God to them. But medical science is very advanced today. We understand their disease, its cause, and the diagnosis by the help of medical science or doctors. In this lesson, we will look at some major developments in the field of medical science. Now we will discuss about clinical thermometer. What is clinical thermometer? Often when we fall ill, our body becomes warmer. It is a sign of fever. In olden days, the intensity of fever was judged by touching the body or feeling the pulse. Today, temperature can be measured accurately. The temperature of the human body is measured by a clinical thermometer. It measured the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit or degree Celsius. The normal temperature of the human body is 98.4 degree Fahrenheit or 37 degree Celsius. When the body temperature goes above this level, it means we have fever. The scale marked on thermometer range between 95 degree Fahrenheit and 110 degree Fahrenheit or 37 degree Celsius to 42 degree Celsius. Thermometer was invented by Gabriel Daniel Fahrenheit, a German physicist, 1715. Today, two types of thermometers are used, digital and analog. Try to find out the difference between both. See children, Daniel Fahrenheit. This is clinical and digital thermometer. This stethoscope. Stethoscope is an instrument used to listen to the sound of heart and lungs. The stethoscope was invented by René Lenz, a French doctor, in 1860. There is an interesting story behind the invention of the stethoscope. One day, Dr. René saw two children sitting at two ends of a long and hollow log of wood. They were whispering through it. Dr. René heard the faintest sound through the log. He was amazed at this and came back to his clinic, where he tried that experiment by rolling paper and tried to listen to the heartbeat of the patients. The experiment led to the invention of the stethoscope. Now, doctors use this instrument and identify if there is any problem in the functioning of heart and lungs. See children, stethoscope. René, Dr. René. Next we will see microscope. Microscope is an instrument that magnifies extremely small objects so that they can be seen easily. It is one of the most important tool or medical sciences. The first microscope was invented by Zacharias Janssen in 1590. He was a spectacle maker in Holland. This invention also has an interesting story. Once, an optician kept two different glasses, one behind the other, while talking to a customer. Through the glasses, he saw fly which appeared as large as lamp. After this, he prepared a toy called flea glass. Galileo improved on it and made the early version of the microscope. With the help of microscope, scientists were able to see the germs that caused diseases. So it became possible to find out the medicines to cure the diseases by killing those germs. Now it is used by the scientists and biologists to examine blood, urine, stools, and other cells so that they can identify the cause and intensity of the disease. New machines. Today we have many machines that can examine the internal parts of the body. The X-ray machines produce the inside picture of a human body. The different types of scanners like ultrasound, CAT scan, MRI machines helps the doctors to find out the images of bones and internal organs of the body. With the help of these machines, doctors can see images of bones and internal organs and find out the disease a patient is suffering from. See children, MRI machine. Next we will see treatment of disease, surgery and anesthesia. Surgery is an operation in which the body is cut open to repair, remove or replace the damaged part of the human body. It is performed by special doctors called surgeons. Doctors use many types of medicines and instruments while performing surgery. In an ancient time, surgery was very painful. Now, doctors make the patients unconscious by giving them anesthesia before operating so that children turn the page so that they do not feel the pain. Chloroform was one of the first drugs to be used as an anesthetic. James Simpson was the first to use chloroform in surgery. Today, the replacement of the organs like kidneys, heart, liver, and many other organs has enabled humans to live longer than before. Okay, students, thank you.